Originally developed by anthropologist Edward T. Hall in 1976, the concept of high-context versus low-context communication explains fundamental differences in how cultures exchange information and build understanding. This framework has profound implications for global business strategy and cross-cultural collaboration. High-context cultures like Japan, China, Brazil, and France rely heavily on implicit messaging, relationship history, nonverbal cues, and shared cultural understanding. In these cultures, a great deal of meaning is unspoken and must be inferred from the context. Meanwhile, low-context cultures such as the United States, the UK, and Australia prioritize explicit, direct verbal communication with less emphasis on contextual factors. What is said is what is meant, and the burden of clarity is on the speaker. Understanding these differences is critical to avoiding misunderstandings and building trust in international business relationships. By recognizing whether you are operating in a high or low context environment, you can strategically adjust your communication to ensure your message is received as intended. Understanding high context versus low context communication has profound strategic implications for how we operate in global business. Let's look at a few key differences. High-context cultures tend to prefer oral, relationship-focused communication. They value trust and harmony before they get to business. Messages are often indirect, requiring you to read between the lines. In these cultures, face-to-face meetings and storytelling are often preferred. On the other hand, low-context cultures favor written, explicit, and detailed communication. They prioritize clarity, efficiency, and directness. You can expect clear agendas and documented follow-ups. Quick, frequent messages via email or text are common and efficient. To succeed in this cross-cultural landscape, we must adopt specific strategies. Low-context communicators, for example, should learn to listen for implicit cues, ask open-ended questions, and avoid rushing important decisions. Meanwhile, high-context communicators should learn to be more explicit, direct, and document key points when interacting with low-context partners. Mastering these communication differences enhances collaboration, reduces conflict, and drives better business outcomes in global environments. Organizations that develop this cultural intelligence gain a significant competitive advantage in international markets.